The journey begins in carefully selected semi-arid landscapes, where kangaroo populations naturally.
Every location is chosen through climate science, soil stability, and water scarcity.
Here, kangaroo herds are not confined, but guided by land design that respects freedom and natural movement.
Population density is carefully monitored, allowing each kangaroo to grow without stress, competition, or environmental pressure. Season after season, balance is preserved, protecting both the land and every kangaroo that depends on it. Minimal ground damage and natural terrain help protect kangaroo skin quality from early abrasions.
Human presence is intentional and distant, ensuring kangaroo welfare remains undisturbed and stress-free.
Shade, hydration, and space are designed into the land itself, supporting ethical kangaroo welfare standards.
Healthy kangaroo skin begins with calm behavior, freedom of movement, and zero forced contact.
Health monitoring begins without touch, reading posture, movement, and natural behavior of each kangaroo.
Skin elasticity, muscle tone, and age indicators are visually assessed while kangaroo move naturally. Advanced visual analytics estimate kangaroo age and weight without physical restraint.
Any kangaroo showing skin damage or health anomalies is immediately excluded from the premium leather supply chain.
Only kangaroo with flawless, unscarred skin continue forward in the process. Each selected kangaroo receives a digital traceability identity, ensuring full transparency from land to luxury product. This traceability ID preserves the ethical story of every kangaroo skin.
When the time comes, only licensed professionals are allowed to approach the kangaroo.
Every step follows strict protocols designed to protect kangaroo skin integrity. The objective is singular: minimize surface damage to the kangaroo hide. Immediately after harvest, the kangaroo skin is cooled to preserve its natural fiber structure. Rapid cooling prevents bacterial activity and protects the unique strength of kangaroo leather. At this stage, the true quality of kangaroo skin becomes unmistakable. The journey now moves forward, carrying ethically sourced kangaroo skin toward its next transformation. And the land remains balanced and unchanged, ready for the next generation of kangaroo. After ethical harvesting, the transformation of kangaroo skin begins in a controlled, precision-driven environment. The kangaroo hide is separated by hand, guided by experience rather than force. Every motion is calculated to protect the natural fiber structure of kangaroo leather. In some stages, semi-automated systems support the process, never replacing human judgment over kangaroo skin. Avoiding cuts and abrasions is essential, as even microscopic damage can compromise kangaroo leather quality. Once separated, each kangaroo hide is allowed to rest and stabilize before classification. Every kangaroo hide is measured, graded by size and thickness to ensure consistency in premium applications. Preservation begins immediately to protect the organic strength of kangaroo skin. Some kangaroo hides are gently salt-cured to halt biological activity without damaging fibers. Others enter deep cooling systems, locking kangaroo skin in a state of suspended perfection. Every variable is controlled because kangaroo leather tolerates no compromise. Vacuum sealing removes oxygen, preserving the purity of kangaroo hide during transport. Now preserved, kangaroo hides are prepared for their journey to specialized tanning facilities. transport conditions are as critical as the processing itself for kangaroo leather. From this moment forward, the responsibility of preserving kangaroo quality continues beyond the facility. Inside, kangaroo hides remain untouched by time, vibration, or heat. The destination is set, where raw kangaroo hide will soon evolve into extraordinary leather. This is only the beginning of kangaroo leather's refinement into true luxury. Inside the tannery, preserved kangaroo hide is carefully reintroduced to water, beginning its transformation.
The soaking process removes residual blood and impurities from kangaroo skin without stressing its fibers.
Pure water reactivates the natural structure of kangaroo skin, washing away what time preserved. Time and motion work together, allowing kangaroo hide to regain its original flexibility. Every soaking condition is calibrated specifically for kangaroo leather. The process advances into liming, where kangaroo hide is prepared for deeper refinement. Limming gently releases hair from kangaroo skin without damaging the grain layer. Hair and surface tissue are removed, revealing the true surface of kangaroo hide.
Unwanted fat and membrane are carefully eliminated to protect kangaroo leather purity.
At this stage, kangaroo hide reaches a balanced softness essential for tanning.
Softness is standardized, ensuring every kangaroo hide responds identically in later processes.
Now begins tanning, the moment kangaroo hide becomes leather.
Through tanning, kangaroo skin is permanently stabilized against time and decay. Vegetable tanning uses natural extracts to preserve the unique character of kangaroo leather.
In high-performance applications, advanced chrome tanning enhances strength without sacrificing lightness.
This structure gives kangaroo leather unmatched flexibility and resilience.
Every batch is monitored to preserve the exceptional balance of strength and weight unique to kangaroo. What emerges is no longer hide, but refined kangaroo leather.
Lightweight, durable, and elastic, kangaroo leather now carries its legendary performance.
Prepared by water, chemistry, and precision, kangaroo leather is ready for its next evolution.
With tanning complete, kangaroo leather now enters the stage where identity and color are defined. Aniline dyeing allows color to penetrate deeply into kangaroo leather, preserving its natural grain.
This deep penetration ensures kangaroo leather remains breathable, supple, and visually alive.
For enhanced durability, semi-aniline techniques protect kangaroo leather without masking its character.
Every shade is calibrated to complement the natural structure of kangaroo leather.
Advanced finishing layers give kangaroo leather resistance to water and moisture.
Anti-cracking treatments allow kangaroo leather to bend repeatedly without fatigue.
Surface finishing carefully controls the gloss level of kangaroo leather. The natural grain of kangaroo leather is enhanced, never hidden. At rest, kangaroo leather now reflects both craftsmanship and restraint.
Before approval, every kangaroo leather piece faces rigorous testing.
Tensile and tear strength tests confirm the legendary durability of kangaroo leather. Uniform thickness ensures consistent performance in every kangaroo application.
Any leather failing to meet standards is immediately separated from premium use.
Nothing is wasted, as kangaroo leather offcuts are recycled into new materials. With perfected kangaroo leather ready, the journey shifts from material to imagination.
Design begins with form, translating the natural strength of kangaroo leather into a refined athletic shape.
Each line is refined to balance performance, elegance, and the unique behavior of kangaroo leather.
The upper is designed around kangaroo leather, allowing the material to dictate structure, not the reverse.
Every curve of the upper respects the lightweight strength of kangaroo leather.
Fit is engineered to wrap the foot naturally, using kangaroo leather's elasticity to enhance comfort.
Weight distribution and foot movement guide how kangaroo leather supports motion.
The design now enters pattern making, where ideas become precise digital instructions.
Each kangaroo shoe pattern is digitized for absolute accuracy.
The upper is divided into panels to reduce waste while preserving kangaroo leather integrity.
Digital simulation predicts how kangaroo leather behaves under tension.
High-stress zones are reinforced, calculated specifically for kangaroo leather performance.
Prototype cutting begins, using real kangaroo leather to validate every assumption.
The first prototype is stitched, revealing how kangaroo leather responds in construction.
This initial form tests structure, balance, and material harmony.
Flex tests confirm the natural elasticity of kangaroo leather under motion.
Every insight is fed back into refinement, guided by the behavior of kangaroo leather. What stands here is not just a prototype, but the foundation of a high-performance kangaroo leather shoe.
Before cutting begins, the natural grain of kangaroo leather is carefully analyzed for maximum strength.
Grain alignment is critical, as kangaroo leather gains its durability from fiber direction.
Advanced CNC systems are calibrated specifically for the unique density of kangaroo leather. Laser cutting allows kangaroo leather to be separated cleanly, without stress or tearing. This precision preserves the integrity of kangaroo leather at every edge. Depending on the component, blades or lasers are chosen to best respect kangaroo leather behavior.
Each kangaroo leather piece is separated according to its role within the upper. Upper components are classified by position, thickness, and load requirements specific to kangaroo leather. From a single hide, kangaroo leather is now prepared to become a structured, high-performance upper.
As kangaroo leather uppers weight, the supporting materials are prepared to match their performance.
Outsoles are engineered from rubber, TPU, and carbon blends to complement the lightweight strength of kangaroo leather. Grip, durability, and flexibility are balanced to move in harmony with kangaroo leather.
Midsoles formed from EVA and PU deliver cushioning without adding weight to kangaroo shoes. Inside, linings are selected to protect the foot while preserving the comfort of kangaroo leather.
Bio-based adhesives are prepared to bond components without compromising kangaroo leather integrity.
With materials aligned, assembly of the kangaroo upper begins. Each stitch respects the natural grain and elasticity of kangaroo leather.
high-stress areas are reinforced to protect kangaroo leather under repeated motion.
Every seam is checked to confirm uniform tension across kangaroo leather panels.
Only flawless stitching allows the kangaroo upper to move forward. The sewn kangaroo upper now enters the shaping stage. Controlled heat relaxes kangaroo leather, preparing it for permanent form.
Heat allows kangaroo leather to conform naturally without stress.
Forming presses lock the structure of the kangaroo upper into its final geometry. Precision forming ensures the kangaroo upper maintains both strength and elegance. Cooling stabilizes the shape, preserving the memory of kangaroo leather. Each kangaroo upper is checked for symmetry and balance. Now fully formed, the kangaroo upper stands ready for bonding. The kangaroo shoe is prepared for its final union of form and foundation.
With the kangaroo upper fully formed, the final union between upper and sole begins.
A specialized adhesive is precisely applied, engineered to bond with kangaroo leather without altering its flexibility.
Uniform coverage ensures the kangaroo shoe will move as a single, integrated structure.
Alignment is critical, as kangaroo leather demands absolute accuracy at this stage. Heat activation prepares the adhesive to permanently fuse with kangaroo leather. Pressure is carefully calibrated to lock the kangaroo upper and sole together. Heat and pressure create a bond designed to last the lifetime of the kangaroo shoe. With structure secured, attention turns to the final details of the kangaroo shoe. Brand markings are placed carefully, signaling authenticity and craftsmanship behind kangaroo leather.
Every symbol reinforces the premium identity of the kangaroo shoe.
The surface of kangaroo leather is cleaned to reveal its natural finish. Natural grain and controlled sheen define the final appearance of kangaroo leather. What stands complete is a kangaroo leather shoe, unified by precision, craftsmanship, and permanence.
Flex testing confirms that kangaroo leather and sole move together without separation or fatigue.
Color consistency is checked to ensure every kangaroo shoe matches its intended tone exactly.
The leather surface is examined for wrinkles, scars, or irregular texture.
Every stitch is reviewed to confirm flawless craftsmanship on kangaroo leather.
Only shoes meeting luxury grade standards are approved to move forward. Each kangaroo shoe is now classified according to final production standards.
Shoes that pass are cleared for factory release as premium kangaroo products.
A traceability QR code links every kangaroo shoe back to its origin.
Certification confirms the use of authentic, ethically sourced kangaroo leather.
Only after passing every test does a kangaroo shoe earn the right to leave the factory.
Each kangaroo shoe is placed inside a luxury box designed to reflect its rare material.
Protective paper shields the delicate surface of kangaroo leather during storage and transport.
Humidity control is essential to preserve the integrity of kangaroo leather. Every environment is calibrated to protect kangaroo leather from time and exposure. Logistics ensure each kangaroo shoe arrives exactly as intended. From factory to world markets, kangaroo shoes travel with precision. In-store presentation transforms the kangaroo shoe into a story. Lightweight strength and rarity define the identity of kangaroo leather. Each display invites customers to understand the journey behind kangaroo leather.
The softness and resilience of kangaroo leather are immediately felt.
Fit testing reveals how kangaroo leather adapts to movement.
Motion confirms the balance of comfort and performance in kangaroo design.
The decision forms through experience, not persuasion.
Quality and authenticity define the value of kangaroo leather.
The journey concludes as the kangaroo shoe finds its owner. From the natural world to modern life, kangaroo leather carries strength shaped by nature and refined by human precision.
Every step reflects a journey of restraint, responsibility, and respect for kangaroo leather at its finest.
This is not just a shoe, it is the story of kangaroo leather, crafted to endure, designed to move forward.